Paradigm Kids, I hope in my heart that it's going well. Come join me for today's lesson.
Welcome to the Paradigm Kids video class.
Like other natural disasters, landslides and mudslides are one of the most powerful and destructive natural and environmental events. They come when almost no one expects them, and they can occur and destroy things in a very short space of time. What is a landslide and a mudslide? A landslide is a massive downward movement of rock, soil or earth material along a hill or slope due to the force of gravity. The movement may be flowing, spreading, falling, toppling, sliding, and so on. A mudslide, on the other hand, is a fast-moving landslide usually along a channel. When they occur, they may cover a very small area, uphill to downhill, or may travel over several miles from the source. Depending on the volume and the speed, it can wipe out anything in its path, such as houses, cars, trees, and electricity poles. But what causes landslides? Landslides are caused by these three natural main events. Slopes saturated by water. Intense rainfall often leaves land surfaces wet. Flooding results and water overflowing its channels often wipes out land surfaces to cause mud flows. Seismic activity, earth tremors and earthquake causes the earth to rumble or shake. These vibrations can weaken the bonding of bedrock and expose the earth to landslides. Thirdly, volcanic activity. Lava from eruptions has the potential of melting snow. A combination of melted snow, volcanic ash, and soils flowing rapidly along a slope can result in disastrous landslides. Lastly, humans can also cause landslides by activities such as mining, construction, and farming. All of these contribute to exposing the surface of the earth and causing landslides. What's the effect of landslides? No one can outrun or approach landslides or mud flows. They are so fast and powerful that they wipe out trees and rocks in their way. They can cause massive destruction in many ways, such as loss of lives, destruction of properties. Landslides also bring huge costs to communities and cities that are affected by cleaning up and rebuilding the destroyed infrastructure. And lastly, landslides usually uproot trees and wipe out vegetation and wildlife in its path. A general understanding of landslides and the conditions in which they occur and how they actually happen is the first step to ensure that you and your family are safer from the danger they present. Before a landslide or a mudslide, you must be aware of your environment. Look out for slopes and tricky landscapes. Contact your local authorities and tell them about your observations. Plan communications with your family so that you know where they are and what you will do in an event of a landslide. Have an emergency kit in a safe and reliable place. Landslides and mudslides happen very fast and there may be very little time to react. Move away quickly from the path or mud flow or landslide to another location. Do not try to stay close and take photographs. And after a landslide, you should stay away from the location until the emergency workers and the experts confirm that it is safe to go back. Make sure you always know what to do in these types of situations. Thank you for learning with me, Paradigm Kids. Please remember to always share what you have learned with everyone around you. See you next time.